Right now the
Halo guys, kembali lagi ke channel Ars bersama saya Indra. Hari ini kita lagi berada di Guangzhou dan kita lagi akan berkunjung ke pabriknya ID Cooling. Jadi kita akan jalan-jalan ke pabriknya dan melihat aktivitas produksi di pabriknya ID Cooling. Buat kalian yang penasaran dengan proses produksi dari produk-produk ID Cooling, kalian simak video kali ini. Oke, jadi kita sekarang lagi berada di kantornya ID Cooling. Kita akan keliling melihat di area produksi dari ID Cooling. Oke, jadi kita sekarang lagi berada di area display produk dari ID Cooling. Jadi kalau kalian lihat di belakang saya itu ada produk-produk dari ID Cooling. Nah, di sini ada beberapa produk yang menarik. Ini saya tunjukin. Oke, jadi kalau kalian lihat di sini selain cooling ini ada beberapa produk menarik yang pernah diproduksi oleh ID Cooling. Di antaranya ada beberapa. Kalian lihat di sini. Ini ada beberapa fan dari beberapa GPU yang pernah diproduksi oleh mereka. Mungkin kayaknya kalian familiar dengan produk-produk ini. Ini juga termasuk ini adalah produk-produk yang diproduksi oleh ID Cooling. Di atas ini juga ada. Ini juga ada. Termasuk produk ini juga, ya kan?
yang kebakar.
Ini GPU kita yang kebakar, fatnya ini.
I got 4090 with the exactly same cooling like this.
Measurements, optical imager.
What is he making?
I don't know. So I think for the plug, to test the quantity durability. This is for testing the heat pipe. It's cool. Looks like a durability for the cable. Make sure that works. See the dirt, so the dust, it's been running for a long time already. Test. We just put it here.
Ah, so
Make sure that everything's good.
no, this is also running.
Yeah, always running.
67.
And this is the same, always running.
Ah, so it's basically the fan.
Put it
between,
Yeah, change
hot and cold.
hot and cold. Make sure this kind of product can ship all worldwide.
Yeah, yeah.
Russia,
Ah,
Indonesia,
oke.
Yeah.
extreme high temperature to make sure the fans can work on extreme conditions.
This is the example
Yeah,
for the
sample.
one that I have corrosion.
Yeah, to test the corrosion.
Next my legal. I see.
The manager knows, but this is down here. Is it the video or
Oh, so this they attach to the board.
to the PCBA solder and running testing the model to make sure it matches the specification. For the frame and the motor, and then the blade, the bearings will be automatically assembled inside the
So this I think for the GPU.
GPU two ball bearing branches. Put in the bearing, the two ball bearing.
And then over there is a lot better.
Another ball bearing on top. So that's called two bearing. One on top, one on the rear. And it's called two bearing. Like a resistant cap to make sure it won't fall out later. And this is like a small noise chamber, acoustic chamber test. It's not that quiet, but it's enough. Compared with other factories, this one is much better in the production line.
Oh, so the listen for the bearing. Is
Yeah.
it any noise from the bearing or
special
not?
noise. This is a label machine. Back
So,
to the
so the product you have the ID cooling
logo, yes.
logo.
On color.
So
yes. Yeah. There's some, but here is like the finished product right here. So this line is like this is for like packing the accessories, screws, etc.
Okay.
Yeah, but they're not running at the
Okay.
moment. But yeah, yes, automatic pack the accessories.
So they will not pack wrong accessories, right?
Sometimes the machine will because it's too light. The weight, maybe the accuracy is not that accurate enough.
Or this for the water cooling?
I think he's like a repair or something.
Yeah.
Or
Checking for the water cooling, I think.
But it's like an air leak test.
Yeah.
And then filling the coolant. This is like a weigh the cooler before filling, and then filling, and then compare
Oh,
to make sure it filled correctly.
yeah.
And they have another scale on the back to weigh the liquid again.
Yeah, to make sure it's still the same.
Not same, we have a standard for the coolant, like
Ah.
200 gram,
Okay.
to make sure the filling process is done correctly, for example. So it's like she's testing the weight after filling to compare the weight. And here the burn test goes.
Whoa.
Burn test. Every liquid cooler will be tested.
Inside this room.
Yes, before they go next step, they connect all the pumps, all the liquid coolers, and then put into this oven. The pump is running under 60 degrees and already past the 40 minutes already.
Oh, so this for the head sink.
Air, water cooler, simple.
Okay.
And pack it like that.
So this area they only manufacture for the ID cooling product. They not make for your
No,
OEM
also OEM business.
on the same
Some-
location.
Yeah. But they can shift one batch step.
Oh,
They were the same. For example, when I do for Germany,
yeah.
yeah, we made it here. So this is how the assembly. Wait,
Yeah.
Let's go start with the Cooper base program.
Oh, the cooler base.
Yeah, the Cooper base. So goes to the soldering oven. It's an oven.
Oh, so you just go inside.
Yeah. So this is a heat pipe inspection. To press the base to the heat pipes. Like video cards. They think they need some accurate reading, something. Also, the Cobra base, we need to see the accurate angle. Mechanical designs, etc. So behind all those small rooms, also some testing equipment, for example,
Let me see.
to do the testings for 9950X and different platforms. Compare on the real testing PC. I mean,
Yeah.
yeah. This is like another project some people ask us to do. The mobile phone. Mobile phone cooler.
ฟังก็ได้ฟังก็ได้ปิดเสียง
Mobile phone cooler. TEC and the liquid cooler combined.
It's cool.
Just it's like similar to master cooler like 10 years ago, a few years ago, did a TEC work, right? But this is like an idea for mobile phone. It's like water and it will become ice very soon. So it's ice cool. 没这么快。
It is something
And it will become
Yeah,
solid ice.
Yeah, it's
jadi lah
See? Solid ice.
Oke, jadi kalian sudah lihat perjalanan kita hari ini di pabriknya ID Cooling. Jadi kurang lebih seperti itu cara produksi atau produksi line up dari ID Cooling ya. Jadi kalian bisa lihat di situ cukup banyak proses-proses yang dilalui dan sedemikian kompleksnya untuk memproduksi sebuah cooler ataupun water cooling. Jadi tidak semudah yang kalian bayangkan. Jadi kurang lebih seperti ini perjalanan kita kali ini di pabriknya ID Cooling. Kita akan lanjut di video-video lain berikutnya di perjalanan berikutnya. Terima kasih.